Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to import VCard contacts to Thunderbird Address Book. This is incredibly useful when you're switching from another email client or phone and need to transfer all your contacts in one go rather than adding them manually. Let's walk through it together. First, open your Thunderbird application. Once you're in, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see several icons in the navigation panel. Among these options, you'll find the contact icon, which typically looks like a little address book or a person's silhouette. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you directly to your address book interface where all your contacts are managed and organized. Now that you're viewing your contacts, direct your attention again to the left side of the contact window. Here you'll see an option labeled Import. Click on it to begin the process of bringing in your external contacts. This import feature is what allows Thunderbird to accept contact files from various sources and formats, making it much easier to consolidate your address book. After clicking Import, a new window will appear presenting you with different file format options. From these choices, select VCard file, then click Continue. The VCard format is one of the most universal ways to store contact information, which is why it's supported across so many different platforms and applications. By selecting this, you're telling Thunderbird exactly what type of file you'll be working with. Next, you'll need to locate the VCard file on your computer. A file browser window will open up, allowing you to navigate through your folders and drives. Browse to wherever you've saved your VCard file, click on it to highlight it, and then click Open. This step essentially hands over your contact file to Thunderbird so it can begin processing the information contained within. Once you've selected your file, Thunderbird will ask you to choose an address book where you want to import these contacts. You might already have existing address books set up, or you can create a new one specifically for these imported contacts. Make your selection and click Continue to proceed to the next stage. Now you're ready to finalize the process. Click Start Import, and Thunderbird will begin transferring all the contact information from your VCard file into the address book you specified. Depending on how many contacts are in your file, this might take just a moment or a little longer, so be patient while it completes. Once the import is finished, you'll see a confirmation message. Simply click Finish to close the import window. And that's it. All your VCard contacts are now successfully imported into your Thunderbird address book, ready to use whenever you need them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.